Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one awesome Oldsmobile. And if you guys want to check out about 100 pictures of this Oldsmobile, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're going to pop the hood, see what's making the power. We're going to look at that beautiful interior. We'll open up the trunk. We're going to get out and drive it. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Oldsmobile investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this 72 Olds out. The chrome looks great, the bumper looks great, the grill's in beautiful shape. Now the hood is fiberglass and I love the look of this hood. I mean, does this car look tough or what? I mean, it's housing a 455 under the hood there, guys. When you look down the side of the car, bodywork on the car is phenomenal. Nice and straight bodywork, no nicks, no dings. Great looking set of wheels and tires on it. Love the car. All the stainless looks good. The vinyl top's in beautiful shape. Just a tough looking car. You see the door jambs there. You see how nice and clean everything is and nicely painted. You see how easy the door opened up. Door panels are in good shape. The carpeting's in great shape. And oh my goodness, looky there. There's a 4-speed in it. Isn't that sweet? Big old Hurst shifter with a T-handle. Great looking upholstery on the seats and in the back seat. Looks like I got 3 seat belts in the rear. It does have the shoulder belts. The dash pad itself is also in good shape. All the gauges look nice and neat. The steering wheel's nice and neat. Just overall beautiful car inside. 1972 model here. You look down that quarter panel, body works phenomenal. Love the spoiler on the back. The black stripes are looking hot. Chrome on the back bumper's looking good too. It looks like it's brand spanking new. Inside the trunk, nice and clean in there. Wheel wells are nice and tight, nice and solid. Back sides of the quarters look good. When you look down the side of the car, looking beautiful. My hat's off to the body man on this thing. He did a beautiful job putting this car together. It is straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Olds. So you can bet we took the time to check it out before we bought it. Then when we brought it back here to the shop, we'll inspect it so we can answer any question you have about the car. So give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now we have 225 cars in stock right now. And last month, we bought 48 cars into our shop. So what that means to you is we've always got new inventory coming in, and I'm in charge of taking a look at every one of those cars. So you're getting my experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take the Oldsmobile for a ride. Big block power, 4-speed, awesome hood on this car. Look at that, driving with no hands, going nice and straight. Exhaust sounds great on it also. Going through the gears nice and smooth. Whoop, the brakes are working. We got a semi-truck stopped in the middle of the road. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Oldsmobile anywhere in the world. So please give us a call anytime at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. And if you need some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. We got about 3 bankers we're working with right now. Only takes about a 15-minute phone call with the banker, and this dream is as good as in your driveway. Now Tom will tell you all about the car. We go through the car so we can answer all your questions when you give him a call. So please call him anytime. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. And he will return your call if you don't get a hold of him. Now we're gonna look down here on the dash. We got the speedo working here. Looks like the gas gauge is working. We got a 3-pack of gauges under the dash. The car is power steering. Steering real nice and easy. Going through the gears nice and easy. Real comfortable to drive. Car's amazing, guys. Now we're right outside the Motor City, not too far from the airport. So if you'd like to come visit us, we'd love to have you. So please come on down or up, whichever direction you live from us. We're open on Saturdays too. If you're one that likes to drive in, just call Tom, let him know you're coming so we can make sure we got your favorite car available for you. Because we do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 225 cars in stock. So it may take us a minute to get your favorite car out. So it would help if we knew you were coming. Now listen to that exhaust. I mean, I'm just touching the accelerator and it sounds fantastic. Now we're gonna do something now that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up in the air so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, see what the motor compartment looks like. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. Now here's our building at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us, we're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath the car now and she's looking really sharp under here. You can see the gas tank's been refinished, the floorboards have been treated with what looks like POR to me. Bushings look good. We got 3-inch exhausts, Coney shocks, looks like new calipers and disc brakes on the back. We got a Oldsmobile rear end in here with a 342 gear in it. We've got aftermarket lower control arms, aftermarket upper control arms, Heim joints here. Looks like the electric fuel pump's mounted right here to the frame. Flowmaster mufflers. Again, the whole floorboard's been coated nicely. It's a nice dry coating. It's not sticky at all, so it'll be nice and easy to keep clean. You can see new fuel lines going front to back, new brake line going front to back. It's got an X pipe in it here, all welded together. It's got a Muncie transmission in it. That's a 4-speed guy. It's got a cast bell housing and it's got the stock clutch in it, so it is a mechanical clutch. The car does have headers. We got tubular upper and lower control, upper and lower control arms, coilover shocks holding the front up. Looks like brand new disc brakes up front here too. Sway bar here. Core support looks good. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Chrome on the front bumper looks great. I mean, it's a really sharp looking, nice and clean underneath on the car. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, great set of wheels here. These are Riddler wheels and looks like Nitto tires. And here's the size, 245, 45, 18s. I don't see a mark on those wheels whatsoever. And the paint work right down to the bottom edge. The pinch weld on the rocker looks good. The paint work on the rocker looks great. Let's look at the rear. Out back here, we got a little more rubber back here. Let's see, we got two 95/40 18s, same good looking wheel, and again, drilled and slotted on those rotors on the disc brakes, and these are the same good looking Riddler wheels. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 455 Olds motor. It's got a Holley XP sitting on top there. It's a dual feed, it's mechanical secondaries, it's a double pumper, it is MSD running the spark, and it does look like an MSD distributor back there too. We've got the spark box and it's an HEI style distributor. Chrome alternator, looks like an aluminum water pump all polished up. They've got all the polished chromed up power booster and master cylinder there. Looks like a brand new motor on the windshield wipers. They do have a polished up reservoir on the power steering pump. We got aluminum pulleys there, aluminum radiator. Nice and neat, nice and clean underneath here, guys. She is one gorgeous car. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.